Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NABS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Mathematics class for class 1 and today's topic is addition part 1 and today's lecture 13 and our SW number 13. Here is SW 13. You have to submit your SW on next Saturday on your campus. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Look here is number 1. There are two numbers 546, 410. So 6 and 0 is 1's place digit, 4 and 1 is 10's place digit, 5 and 4 is 100 place digit. Since we add these two numbers, so we have to use addition sign and draw a line for bring down answer here. Now you have to start from the 1's place digit. Here is 6 and 0. We know that 6 and 0 it will be 6. 4 and 1 is the next column, that means 10's column. So we have to add 4 and 1 now. 4 and 1 it will be 5. Now next column is 100 place. So here is 5 and 4. 5 and 4 it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here it will be 9. So the answer is 956. My dear students, hope you understood how can we add two numbers. Now let's go to next one. Here is 7, 1 is 1's place digit, 3, 4 is 10's place digit, 2 and 5 is 100 place digit. We have to add this and these numbers, so use here addition sign and draw a line for bring down the answer here. Now 7 and 1 is 1's place digit, so we have to start from these digits. 7 and 1 it will be 8. 3 and 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 will be the 10's place digit, and the last one 5 and 2, 5 and 2, 6, 7. So here it will be the answer 778. So the answer is 778. Now here is number 3. First number is 765 and the second number is 24. So here 5 and 4 is 1's place digit, 6 and 2 is 10's place digit, and 7 is 100 place digit. There is no digit in 100 place at bottom digit. Now we have to use addition sign and draw a line to answer here. First of all, we have to add this 1's place digit. Here is 5 and 4, 5 and 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here is 10's place digit 6 and 2, 6 and 2 it will be 7, 8. And the last one, since here is only 7 in 100 place in top number and there is no digit in bottom number, so we have to bring down 7 here. So the answer is 789. And the last one, here is top number 220 and the bottom number is 138. 0 and 8 is here 1's place digit, 2 and 3 is here 10's place digit, and 2 and 1 is here 100 place digit. So in the similar way we have to draw a line and put here a addition sign and start from the 1's place. Here is 0 and 8 it will be 8. 2 and 3 it will be 5. 2 and 1 it will be 3. So the answer is 353. My dear students, hope you understood how can we add two numbers. Practice it at your home more and more. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.